mu je lamarin mutuna da lahira. Man rabbiki. I say man rabbiki.
What is that?
Man rabbiki. You don't know man rabbiki?
It's not all I understand. I told you I understand only small. You are speaking deep.
Okay, man rabbika.
Marabka. What is that? I don't know.
La ilaha illallah Muhammadan
Somebody say it in a way I can understand. Wait. Say it again. I think I understand now. Say it again. Say it again now. Subhanallah. Say it again.
Man rabbika.
Allah.
Okay.
You are saying it in a way that I cannot understand.
Okay.
Oh God. When you are saying it, you will calm down and talk to me. You said, who's my God? That's the question.
If you don't know man rabbika, if you enter kasa